You definitely need to know this interest formula. So let me write it down and hope that it stays out of my way. P is the principal amount, and then you have to do 1 plus the rate over N is how often it's compounded, and then T is the time in years. So P is the principal deposit. They told us it was 2,000 in this example. The interest is 6.5, so you have to change R is actually the interest written as a decimal, 0.065. 2 times per year because it says semi-annually, so N is 2, and then T total for 6 years. So we just plug everything into the formula, put it into our calculator, and we're good to go. So we have to find all of the things. So we have, what are they going to tell us here? So our principal is $2,000. Our interest rate is 4.3%, which is 0.043. Compounded quarterly, so N is 4. Find the total amount after 5 years, so T is 5. So we're going to find A. We have to do 2,000. We have to do, we want to divide this by 4, so 0.043, and we add 1 to that. So this goes inside of our parentheses, 1.01075, and then raised to the power of, and we have to times N and T together, so power of 20. So I'm going to actually just raise that to that power, oh, I have to get off my pen. Raise that to the power of 20 right now. And then I'm going to, how do I get down? Can I just time? No. See, how do I? Oh, I think I have to put my finger there. So times 2,000. And then I want to round to the nearest cent. So I just go to 88 here. And since there's a 0 after 88 cents, I'll just keep it at 88 cents. So I type in 2,476 and 88 cents. And that should be what's there. Okay, so let's just keep this and erase that. Okay, like erasing a chalkboard. Okay, so we have $8,000 is the principal, 18%, and as a decimal 0.18, compounded annually, so that means just once a year. How much after 3? It's nice when N is 1, so R divided by 1 is just R, so we have the principal, 8,000, and then we want 1 plus 0.18 is 1.18, and then we raise it to 1 times 3, which is 3. So we'll go to our calculator and do 8,000 times 1.18 raised to the 3rd power. And round to the nearest cent. So we go to 25, and since there's a 6 after it, it's going to be 26 cents. So 13144. Wait, back up 3, 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. Go back forward. Point, what did I say? 26 cents. Okay, so we have the last one. Okay, so 2,000 is our principal. 12% is 0.12, compounded monthly. So there's 12 months in a year. So you just have to do how many in a year? And then 10 years. Whoa. Okay, so we have to do R divided by N. So 0.12 divided by 12 is 0.01. True? So we have 1.01. Okay, let me just double check. I don't like that. So 0.01. Oh, okay. So, oh my gosh, again, I do this constantly. Okay, so then we're going to do principal. Then we have 1.01 raised to the 10 times 12 is 120. Wow. Okay, so we have 2,000. raised to the 120. So $6,600.77. See if I did that right. So 1 point R divided by N was 0.01 and times T 120. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.